summer, which means it's time to prep good fresh corn. We're gonna shuck the corn. This is my Zwilling Pro chef's knife, which we use in all of my cooking classes, and it works great. If you wanna make sure the kernels aren't flying all over your kitchen, you can just stand it in a bowl and cut it off using the tip of your knife. Once you have that flat surface, you can just slice it off. And then you can go back over it and get all of those little pieces off, and then use the back of your knife, which is the blunt edge, to get all of the juices out. If you're making soup or gazpacho or anything where you're making a vegetable stock or a summer stock, save this and make corn stock. So if you're not gonna make it right away, throw these in your freezer and use them to make stock later. But that's it. Choose your own adventure. Cut them in the bowl with the tip of your knife if you want, or just cut off the side of the corn on your cutting board.